welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take advantage to pull back in Boom 1000. Before starting, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment. Let's start it. So guys, we are going to execute this strategy only using a trend line. Yes, only using trend lines. Here, we see that the Boom 1000 already made a spike. Now, we have to sell and we will close on candle number 5. Now, I will go to the trading view to show you a better graph and the trend line. So, we have double spike. Now, I will move the trend line here. Like here. Yes, let me accommodate the trend line. Okay, yes, there we go. So guys, look, now I tell you before, just we have to leave 5 candles. So, and I have to close the operation before it touches the trend line, because it is that bounce zone where the price can touch and hit it another spike. So we just have to leave 5 candles. Just 5 candles is enough. As we can see, guys, the 5 candles have passed with a profit of $16. Now we have to close the operation and wait. Look, it hasn't touched the trend line yet. Now we have to wait for it to touch it and break it. Then after that, we have to execute another sell, but we have to wait. As we can see, the trend line is broken. Now we have to sell again and wait. 5 candle is our profit. Remember, just 5 candle sell, and after 5 candle we have to close the operation. Now we have to wait. Our candle number 5 has been completed. Now we close the operation. Right? Now we have to move the trend line. We have to move the trend line like here. Yes. Here is a good zone. What do we have to do now? We have to put another sell. Yes, another sell, because the price is too far to our trend line. Remember, this strategy is just using trend line, but I'm pretty sure when the price touches this trend line, it's gonna go up. I'm really sure. Now we have to wait. As we can see, guys, 5 candles more. Now we have to close the operation. $16. Now we check trading view. Look, it's not touching yet the trend line, but it's too close and can hit a spike. So look, guys, as I told you before, it's close to the trend line, can hit a spike, and he did it. Now, what do we have to do? We have to go to MetaTrader 5 and put another sell. Easy. And so, guys, you have to wait 5 candles more, as I told you before, and that's it. The 5 candle has passed. We got the profit $18. We closed the operation. Look at this. It's not close. It's not touching the trend line. Close the operation, and we have to wait because can't touch the trend line. Are going up again, but just we have to wait. Look, guys, as I told you before, touch the trend line, are going up. Now what we have to do? Sell again, and that's it. It's easy strategy for making money. Look, touch and going up, and we sell. We can also use this strategy to hunt the spike, but in this time I am teaching you how to use it in pullback. But guys, it's too easy to make money. Now we have to wait 5 candles more, or maybe 10, because this spike was very big. Look at that. Now we have $16. Let me check. Okay, it's too far to our trend line. Just we have to wait. In this case, maybe we have to make around $30 or $35. But look, we have a new area where the price can bounce. Now we have to wait the breakdown, right? We close the operation, when the candles finally finish, yeah, we close the operation, and look at that. Look our profit. So it's amazing, guys. So this zone is broken again. Now we have the reference, our trend line. We have to go MetaTrader and put another sell and wait 5 candle. Easy. Look at that. We have to put another trend line in MetaTrader, and you have to wait 5 candle more. So guys, our 5 candle has passed. Look at this. It's not touched the trend line yet. As I told you guys, this strategy is very, very good. Just you have to be patient and wait. It's the formula for got good profit in synthetic indices, guys. So put in practice this strategy and see you later.